Hello there. Today we are going to talk about a common mistake that many non-native English speakers make, which is confusing. There and there. Let's imagine you're chatting with a friend who just came back from a trip. You might ask, "Did you visit any interesting places?" And your friend might reply, "Yes, I went to their museum." At first, it might not seem like a big deal, but there is actually incorrect in this context. There is used when you want to refer to something that belongs to a group of people. For instance, you might say, "They came with their belongings," to indicate that the belongings belong to a particular group of individuals. On the other hand, there is used to refer to a location. For example, "I have been there." This indicates that you have visited a particular place. To correct your friend's error, you could say, "Oh, you went to their museum. How was it?" By using the right word, you can help your friend improve their English language skills. By keeping this in mind, you can avoid making the common mistake of using the wrong word. With practice, you can improve your English language skills and feel more confident in your ability to communicate effectively. Don't give up. Soon, you will be able to speak English like a pro.